Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Nene again, and today we are playing Poppy Playtime again. Now, you may remember about a month ago I played it with Ricky, but this time I'm playing with my brother. So, we're going to hop in and we're trying to get, this is how to play. We're going to get collect all 6 toy parts, escape, and there are more toy parts you have. The more toy parts you have, the angrier he will get. Don't let him catch you. And we're talking about him. I'm sorry, he's too cute. We're talking about him. Alright, ready? Chill? Let's go. Yeah. Am I crouching? Okay. This is scary. Okay. No one leaves until they get all 6 toy parts. Did you find a part? Ooh, me too. Ooh, bear claws. I remember like a month ago when I played this game with Ricky. I said, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there. Okay, I remember about like a month ago when I was playing with Ricky, I said bear claws. Like, oh hey, what'd you get for Christmas? Bear claws. I said something like that. Huggy generally scared me. Oh, that's a dead end. That's scary. Oh, I thought that was Huggy. Tell me if you see Huggy anywhere. Oh, okay. Here, I got whatever this is. Wait, how come I have to be in the front? Still. Oh my god! Run! Ow. He ate me. I hear him. He said don't talk. I think he's hiding. Or that's what my brother said. I don't know. My brother said he hears footsteps. Okay, I just found another toy part. Ah, my game's glitchy. He hears footsteps, but they're not his. And I don't think they're mine. Oh, it must be mine then. Yeah. No, I just left them. This is scary. My brother said it's 10 times scarier because he's in VR. True. He said it feels so realistic. Oh! Oh, he just got eaten. Oh, oh boy. Oh yeah, this is good, because I know there's a part around here. Last time I played it with Ricky, I knew there was a part around here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we have 3 parts. That's 4 parts. Is there anything over here? Oh, hey, chill. Oh, a part! Did you collect it? Oh. Oh, I just collected it too. Another part! This is the last toy part! All parts are collected. Get to the exit. Hurry, we gotta go. Go, go, go. I don't know. I have them all, so I'm gonna get to the exit. Here, I think you're able to leave too. Just follow me. I think this is the way. I hope this is the way. You didn't see me turn all those corners? Bruh. Just, whatever you do, just find the exit. Dang, it's not the exit. I'm scared he's in the vents. Like, the scariest thing for Huggy to be in is the vents. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm about to go to the end. Oh. I don't know. The end! Oh! Chill, I made it! Here, I'm gonna try to find you and help you out. Okay, guys, I made it, but I'm gonna help my brother escape. I just joined the game. Uh-oh. Dude, you need to chill. He said his heart's going 200 million miles an hour. He said he's only collected 3 parts so far. Glass. He's in the vents? Dude, hurry up and get some parts. I'm literally about to beat the game again. Did you get the bear claws yet? Here, the bear claws are near the exit. He died again. He's crying, he said. He's crying in terror, he said. Wait, are you actually? You said yes. Bruh. He died again. I can hear his headset, and he's died about like 5 times by now. I've died about once. He's getting 2 flashlights. Yeah, you can't do that. Because you have to collect the parts, and you have to use one hand to collect the parts. My headset's wonky. I don't have a headset on. My headphones are wonky. My mic is wonky because I have headphones on. Can you guys hear my brother in the background? He's just like, ah! I don't know where you're at. Well, where are you? He died again. He's chasing me. I don't know how to do that without dying. And I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I just want to turn into a papaya. Papaya's like a fruit, right? Wow, this video is getting really long. But I don't know if we can help you get out of here. I've already escaped. I just came back to help you. Did you die again? Oh! Oh my goodness, that scared me so bad. I know. That scared me. He like teleported. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Chill, I don't think I can help you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. Hopefully we can get my brother out next time if we ever do. Bye, guys, and I will see you later. Goodbye.